In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into Google Adsense in just about 5 minutes. Whether you're new to Adsense or you're looking to refresh your memory, I've got you covered. Throughout this tutorial, I'll walk you through the login process, providing helpful tips and clarifications to ensure a smooth experience. First things first, why Google Adsense? Well, Google Adsense is an incredible tool that allows website owners to earn money by displaying ads on their sites. Whether you have a blog, a YouTube channel, or any other online platform, AdSense can be a great way to monetize your content. Now, let's get started with the login process. To begin, you'll need to navigate to the Google AdSense homepage. You can easily find this by typing Google AdSense, earn website monetization into your search engine, or going directly to adsense.google.com/start. This page is your gateway to starting or continuing your journey with AdSense. It's here you'll find all the resources and tools needed for your monetization efforts. Once you're on the AdSense homepage, your next step is to click on the Sign In button. This should be quite straightforward to locate, usually found at the top right corner of the page. Clicking this will take you closer to accessing your AdSense account and all the features that come with it. After clicking Sign In, you'll be redirected to a page where you're required to enter your email. This is the email associated with your Google AdSense account. If you have multiple Google accounts, make sure to choose the one linked to your AdSense. It's important to enter the correct email to avoid any login issues that might delay your access to the platform. Following your email entry, the next step involves entering your password. This is a critical step for securing your account, so make sure the password is entered correctly. If at any point you're having difficulty remembering your password, don't hesitate to use the password recovery options provided by Google. It's better to spend a few extra minutes getting your password right than to be locked out of your account. Lastly, after successfully entering your email and password, you'll find yourself logged into your Google AdSense account. From here, I recommend clicking on Home to familiarize yourself with the AdSense dashboard. The Home tab is essentially your AdSense command center. It's here you'll monitor your earnings, check notifications, and access reports that give insights into your monetization performance. And just like that, you're in. Logging into Google AdSense is that simple. However, before I wrap this up, let me share a few additional tips that may enhance your AdSense experience. Firstly, consider bookmarking the AdSense login page if you find yourself accessing it frequently. This can save you some time in the future. Additionally, ensure that your web browser is up to date. Google AdSense works best with the latest versions of most browsers, and having an outdated one could potentially cause issues or limit functionality. Lastly, security is paramount. Always log out of your AdSense account if you're using a public or shared computer to prevent unauthorized access. In summary, we've walked through the process of logging into your Google AdSense account, starting from visiting the Google AdSense homepage, clicking on the Sign In button, entering your email and password, and finally, navigating to the Home tab within your account. Remember, Google AdSense is a powerful tool for monetizing your online content, and being familiar with logging in and navigating the platform is the first step towards maximizing its benefits. If you ever run into challenges or have questions, Google's AdSense support page and forums are valuable resources. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial. I hope it's been helpful, and I wish you the best of luck with your AdSense journey. Happy monetizing!